once again, KB and Dia is here to seeing you again. And first of all, thank you very much to liking our videos, throwing the comments, and subscribing our Enjoy Star Food channel as well. So today, we're exploring another restaurant. They have some burgers, wraps, and some Asian dishes as well, and we'll see what's the deal going on right now there. And welcome to Enjoy Star Food, and as usual, Dia is behind the camera there.
Hello everyone,
And thank you very much for watching our channel. So we'll meet you there.
so stay with us.
So guys, so we're just getting into the parking lot of that name is Khan Baba. It says Pakistani cuisine, and there is some people already sitting down there. It's mostly I think so takeout, but there's some table if somebody wanna sit in and dine in. So we'll get into the restaurant and meet you there, guys. Their ambience. So there's a couple of fridges. They have some dishes to go. Just come in, pick up yours, whatever you like it. There's a lot of dishes here already, and then they have some. This is their menu, a pretty big menu, and then we have some ethnic sweet as well. So they already ready made, so if somebody is rushed they can come in and pick up and go. So anyways, there's some tables. Our first dish is here. It's a Sindhi Biryani, guys. Okay.
So guys, we have right now two dishes on the table. One is biryani, one is burger. So KB will gonna do the review of this
Okay,
dishes.
so first of all, apologize because we have a couple of fridges behind. They are running and they are noisy as well. So you might gonna feel the noise in background. So again, so sorry for that. So the couple of dishes we have it already on our table. This is the mutton biryani, and it's also Sindhi biryani. It's usually come with the potato, so I can see the potato here, right? Mutton pieces here, and it's come with the mint chutney. And the second dish is this is a very authentic and a cultural burger. So it's come with. It's called also ande burger. So as I said in the earlier, you can see the patties. This is ground beef and plus the chickpeas lentil. They mix it and then they fried, like shallow fried, right? They have some salad on it, some kind of chutney, and plus the one layer of egg. You guys can see that, right? So let me open this one here. You can see this one. Okay. So I order actually with the medium spices, so it's supposed not to be much spices in it. So let's try that. Are you ready, ma'am? Okay. So I used to eat a lot of it in my childhood. I just remember my childhood. So yeah, it's a very authentic and cultural burger. And they have the mint sauce in it and some hot sauce like Pakistani hot sauce or something like that. So it's really good. Okay, so here we have
Wraps.
our third dish. So here we have third dish. So one of them is chicken and one of them is beef. I'm gonna try biryani, so we're gonna try some wraps. It's a beef barbecue wraps. It's very hot. It's pretty fresh. So let me open this one here. So
It's the
this
paratha.
yeah, it's kind of like thin bread, Pakistani bread. It seems like kind of a paratha, right? And then they have, I can see some beef chunks here, some kind of cabbage, right? So this is called the beef barbecue wrap.
And what's the prices?
And the price of this is $6.99. It's a Monday deal.
And burger?
Burger sandwich is $4.99. Plus you can add $3 on it, and that will come into combo. And the mutton biryani is $14.99, right? So let's try that, man. Yeah. Kind of spicy. But I can feel the smoked beef in it, and also it's sour. It's more sour inside, but not bad. It's okay. Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so here this is the actually this is chicken wrap. So same kind of texture, same kind of packaging, right? And it seemed to me same kind of bread as well, right? So let's try this. Not much change. The only change is chicken and beef. They have the same kind of sauces, I think so that's why you're gonna have the same kind of taste, but the protein is different.
So
And the last dish is
a famous one,
the famous one, mutton biryani.
and it's Sindhi biryani.
Yeah, so let's try that, ma'am. I want to make a super bite. I'm going to take a piece of mutton. I'm going to take some rice. We're going to put some mint on it, chutney, and then we'll try that.
So how it is?
It's good. Not spicy. Not bad. It's good. And actually, they just bring in a complimentary sweet here.
And it's called
We did-
zarda.
Yeah, we did not order, but they give it to us. So this is actually basically is called zarda or mutanjan, right?
Yep.
So this is basically sweet basmati rice. They have some raisin in it, and this is kind of in our language called khoya, but this is kind of a condensed milk, right? In form of condensed milk. So they sprinkle on it, right? And it should be very sweet. So let me try that. Okay. The cardamom as well. Good. A little bit hard, but it's very good. Awesome. It's very good.
So KB, what's the
this,
feedback?
I think so. Everything is good. I remember my childhood when I just bite a ande wala burger.
Back home taste?
But yeah. So typical taste. But the most dish I like it. That is.
Ande wala burger.
This is
The
winner
famous
for
one,
today.
street food burger.
Famous street food. This is the winner today. So thank you very much for watching us. Please subscribe our channel, Enjoy Star Food. Throw some comments, and I just want to say thank you as well because you are throwing comments continuously. So thank you very much. Subscribe our channel, share with your family and friends, and yeah.
Thanks for watching.